All right, hi, I'm Richard Bogert with Bogert Aviation, and I want to talk to you about alternator wiring harnesses, in particular for the Cessnas built from the 1950s through mid-1970s. Those aircraft used a Ford-type voltage regulator for the alternators, and those well, just imagine, you got an airplane that's 60 plus years old, and the wiring is 60 plus years old. It might be a little on the ratty side. So if you're having electrical issues, charging issues from aircraft, it might just turn out to be that the wiring has given its last gasp here and it's ready to be changed. So we have an option. We can build these for almost all of the Cessnas that used this type. If you need wiring harness for your Cessna or Yankee or some of the Beechcraft, give us a call and we can fix you up.